every time I was on picture on the stream, they would yell daddy. Who was it? Okay, who was it? I know it was someone from the stream. I know it's someone. Someone tell me who it was. That was me. I have that on video. Oh my god. Oh my god. Chat, we're gonna have to have a serious talk about that.
Wobble,
about
wobble, motherfucker.
etiquette when in public. Miasno with the tier 1 sub. Thank you very much for subbing, man. Alright. I'll go on a little bit of like just like how we feel about the games. Durandra for the 100 bits. Watch party was insane. Oh, actually I already said that. Dude, it was multiple, like a lot. I almost died laughing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, so I'll talk a little bit of the game.
Motherfucker.
Raven, thank you very much for the prime sub. It was obviously good to get a first win against San Francisco. I think we played our game. I don't think we played exceptionally well, but we played our style, we played our game, and they I think we're just a better team. I don't know, San Francisco, they seemed a little out of sorts at times, so hopefully they can get their stuff together and they can start getting some W's in the world. But regardless of them, it was good for us to get the win. I wasn't overly happy with how I played. I played okay. Nothing special. Just kind of I was just kind of there. Yeah, it was what it was. With the comp that we play, it's very hard to get a ton of value. My main job is to just stay alive, use the Discord, and use the healing. So sometimes it can feel like a little useless. But yeah, not much to say about that. Good first win. Thank you guys for all the support on that win. Everyone thing. Coming into today was actually really fucking hard. They should never have it so that a team plays at 8 p.m. the night before and then plays 11 a.m. the day after. Our match didn't finish until 11 a.m. Like because there were 2 best of 5s before us, match didn't finish till 11 p.m. By 11 p.m. you have to do any media shit, anything like that, all the stuff post game. You then have to go. You want to eat because you probably haven't eaten for like 4 hours. You gotta go home, you gotta like calm down, you gotta do all that kind of stuff, and then you gotta sleep, and then you have to get up for an 11 a.m. game. You have to be there at 9:30 so you can start doing fucking makeup, so you can start doing all that kind of stuff. And that doesn't even include you as a personal player wanting to warm up. It also means the teams cannot scrim early unless they get there ridiculously early, but that's just, let's say we wanted to scrim from 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. A, we have to find a team that wants to scrim at 8:30 in the morning. B, it's only a 1 hour scrim. And C, like, that means we're going off of maximum like 6 hours sleep. So that is something that I really hope gets changed in the future because it is a shit situation. It should never happen. Obviously, we can handle that. It's not the worst thing in the world, but it's something that should easily be able to be scheduled out. Just don't have those two a team play both of those schedules. So makeup, yeah, like makeup's really easy. They just powder your face a little and they like do that kind of stuff. They do it for everyone, all the players, all the teams, all the talent. You get makeup. It's not like they're fucking dolling us up. It's just the simple things. That's not an excuse though. That's not an excuse. It's not why we lost. I'm not using that as a reason why we lost. Boston that was actually a really fun series because we went in playing our style of the way we want to play the game. Boston has their style of want to play the game. We got our Orisa shit, we got our Junkrat, we got all that kind of stuff. They have pretty much full dive, pretty much only switching Dreamcasper around. And it was really interesting to see how the game sort of adapted. On Nambani, we really had them worked out on linear maps. They couldn't really thing it, but then they adjusted on Anubis. We played really badly on Anubis. We just that's that. We weren't prepared for that. Write that off. Ilios was pretty close. You might have seen us trying to adapt as the game went on, but just wasn't there. So and then we pulled it through on Dorado. Had a really good Dorado map, and then Li Jiang's Li Jiang, man. We made mistakes throughout the entire series, little things, but the most important thing is that we were playing better as a team. Hopefully we can get our shit together and start playing better in the future and start putting it all together and start getting some good results against some good teams. So disappointed to lose today, but it's still a step in the right direction. Yeah. And then of course picking up AKM. He's a player that sort of feels a spot within the team. Obviously an amazing addition to the team. It'll be great to play with such a talented player. I'm really looking forward to when he starts getting in and starts playing with the team. I'm not going to talk about the inner workings of the team. Why certain people didn't play. I will. What I will say is Harry was sick. That is why I was playing. Harry was sick. Yeah. It is what it is. Life gets in the way. Harry's sick. Can't play. Yeah, but I'm not going to talk about the inner workings of the team. I'm not going to talk about why everyone's doing what's happening. That's between us. Just tell you that we're trying our best and we're working as hard as we can to be a successful team in the long run. Maybe we're not having the short-term results right now, but in the long run, we will do better. I swear to you guys, everyone wants this just as much as you guys. We do appreciate the support. And yeah, hopefully we can start winning the games. It's going to be a long season.
Wobble, wobble, motherfucker.
Let's hope for better games. This was a good week. Honestly, you can't look at this week as a negative. You can't look at this as a failure. Obviously, it would have been great to beat Boston, but it is what it is. Buddha with the 15-month resub. Nice win, Custa. Yeah, it was good to win against Shock. It was definitely good to get a win on stage. Bao with the 6-month resub. Thank you very much for the 6 months as well. No worries, Tiger. Alright, let's start playing some stuff. How's his hair though? How's my hair look at the moment? Is it okay? Might look a little silly. It's fine. Alright, context of this stream, I'm not going to be streaming for a long time. Probably only another 45, 50 minutes. I did want to talk about the games. Just sort of wanted to hang out with you guys a little. Sort of thank you for all the support. And I kind of wanted to look at Blizzard World. So I'm going to go just run around. I'm going to play some of this Blizzard World shit. Check out the map. Have a look around. Run around. So if you want to watch me play ranked, I won't be playing ranked. I'm just going to be checking out Blizzard World. Seeing what it has to give. Having fun.
Wobble, wobble,
by going to the Outlaws for hairstyling? Damn it. I gotta change my hair? Yo, Jabby Brow. Brow? B? Jabby Brow B? Thank you very much for Prime Sub, man. Something I did want to talk about. Dude, Houston's been playing so fucking well. Like, I watched that series against Gladiators. They made Gladiators look so bad. But, like, I think that's what Houston just looks so disciplined and their play looks so clean. If you're looking to get better at the game, I would watch them. They have a really well-rounded roster. They've been playing really well. So props to them. They look like they're putting in the hours. It's good to see them getting success. Yeah, I like a bunch of those guys. So. Would Gladiators tilt on Dorado? I'm sure they would have been. They weren't close, but I think that's what Houston does, right? They have such, like, they make it really hard to play your game, and they force you to play their game, and it's really hard to play against. So, hey, Lynx is a fucking monster, who has like such a wide hero pool. So yeah, someone you just gotta be afraid of. So, I think that team will do very well in the league this season. It's good to see them doing well, man. Good to see an American, like mainly American and Western team. Seeing so much success, you know, hopefully they can take down the Koreans. Because it feels like a lot of the other Western teams, you know, falling a little short. Yeah, that's obviously our ultimate goal is Dallas Fuel, but I don't think it'd be realistic to say in the near future we're going to be knocking down Koreans consistently. So
wobble wobble, motherfucker.
How many games in total? Every team will play 40 games. Mimo with 16 months. Please win next game. My pick'ems are getting fucked. Thank you. Alright, sorry. I got you, Mimo. I got you. Castle, why have 5 maps? Do you think the same heroes would work over and over again? Still support you guys. Yeah, it's like, who would think, like, I had a good laugh at this because I was reading the Reddit thread, probably a mistake. I was reading the Reddit thread about the game, and they're like, Dallas Fuel only played one thing the whole way through. Not correct. We did switch bits and pieces up the whole way. Boston literally played the exact same 5 heroes, I think, except for Dream Casper, who switched and flexed, and their team just sort of moved around that. They literally didn't change anything else, but because we're playing a different comp that isn't dive, everyone's like freaking out. It's like, why aren't they switching? No, like, you guys just gotta look at it like that. You gotta look at it for face value. I'm not gonna go into the details about why we're doing what we're doing and what is gonna do that, because that doesn't help us at all, and it's between us. But yeah, like, just think about it. I thought more people would be excited that, hey, teams aren't only playing dive now. Hallelujah, fucking praise the sun. But now people are like, why aren't they playing dive? Play dive or riot. So, I don't get it. I'm sorry, Reddit, to disappoint you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective.
But it isn't working so good at some points. Hey, man. It's never gonna be easy, dude. it's never gonna 100% work. We obviously have a lot of issues to still work through. It's definitely not. It's not perfect. We're not doing it and saying, what the fuck is this? Why is this a thing? I'm not. Yeah. Like, no, by no means are we saying what we're doing is perfect. Yeah, I've like lost my voice. Oh, hello. Wait, is he not going to get pinned? Oh, I didn't think he was going to get pinned for that. Oh, alright, so I don't even know what's going on. This is a point, apparently. This is what we're trying to protect. I was just sort of shooting at things. Alright. Whoa, are we losing this fight? Hello? Team? Alright, we're losing this fight. I didn't realize. Seeing on effect with sick these 2 games. Hey man, a couple of guys like really stepped up throughout the series. It's been good. It's been good to see Seagull having some success. Obviously, it still needs a little bit of tweaking and could use a little bit of work. But you know, baby steps, guys. We're playing better. You know, I don't think anyone can look at our games today and say we played worse than we did last week. We definitely played better. We'll get there. We'll get there. One step at a time, guys. It's the funniest thing that I had it as well in reading the Reddit thread. I might go back to this a couple of times. Is that because I don't take it to heart, but I just think it's funny reading what they're saying. Is people are frustrated. Like after this week, people are still like, this is ridiculous. This is getting ridiculous. It's like, what do you think was gonna happen? We were just gonna play today and start absolutely fucking crushing everyone. The team isn't gonna have an instant turnaround where all of a sudden we're really fucking good at the game. We're obviously having some tough troubles working with the meta, working how to play our game, but we'll get there. Just give us some time, guys. Yo, what the hell? That was just a million. This is fine. I'm like not paying attention to this game at all. Oh! Drop your shield for a second. I want to kill the McCree. Okay. I'm so dead. Yo, Welsh with the Pyramid Bits. Considering you're just a diversity hire, you kept up pretty well. For a token Australian, you did okay. You did okay. Now hit the bench again. No Jonak, but pretty alright. GG's, dude. Yeah, thank you very much, man. GG's. Thank you for the support. Do anything for Australia? No. I will be.
I tweeted
tonight
that
is
video
my,
at you. This is bribery
no.
to watch it. TP Fufun.
I tweeted that video at you. This is bribery to watch it. Yo, it was a Ranger dropping 25 fucking $dollar dues. Thank you very much for the $25. I'll have a look at. I'll have a look at the watch party. I'll go have a look at it in a sec. I might put it on stream. In a sec. Alright, freeze. Alright, let's talk about this for crate. We can work through this. He's a fucking magician. I can't hit him. Okay, that's not okay. Oh, he pushed me away. This is fine. This is fine. This is not okay. This is fine. Is it not okay again yet? Wait, there's a Mega there? Did he grab a Mega? Yo, this Steven knows exactly what he's doing. That's cheating. Ah, I wanted to hit that headshot and then grants. Okay. See ya. Yo, what's up, Ryan? Yo, we can talk about this, man. Holy shit. Okay, fuck the cart. Okay. This looks pretty dope. So wait, this is the point? Oh my god, that's such a fucking lame flank. Oh, this is gonna be so hard to hold. So that's like the freest flank of your life.
Play of the game. Cease your resistance.
It's hand.
Let's have a look at this video. Somebody told me that you had a boyfriend. Wait, I don't see. Did you tweet at me? Durandro? That's what he said, right? I tweeted that video at you. What video? Did you guys lose? Yeah, we lost. That's definitely for sure.
Welcome to Blizzard World.
Holy shit, we got 1,000 viewers? What are 1,000 of you guys doing here? You lose say yes, we lost to Boston 3-2.
We're all soldiers now.
Alright, so let's have a gander.
Welcome to the shop. We surely have what you need.
You literally have nothing. Literally have nothing.
Wobble wobble, motherfucker.
How is that? How can you say that if you literally have nothing? Jesus. Blizzard, get your shit together. XQC waiting room? Makes sense. Feels like a really... This feels like the part of the map that's going to be like super useless. Okay. On high graphics, there is stuff? Alright, Blizzard. You win this round. Will you ever play Widowmaker in League? Very unlikely, then. When you gotta play, like, Effect on your team and Timer, like, the chances of them being like, you know what, Custa, get in there, buddy. You're doing great. Keep it up. And you're like, and then you fucking die. Buzz waiting room. Your Bastion, the Bastion just does it. I think people counted it really well. I couldn't fucking find anything to shoot at, man. I'm playing Bastion, can't shoot at the shields, couldn't do anything. The Bastion was just fucking useless. That was a feels bad Bastion. Once I switched to Zen, it was fine. Feel good to pop up on Zen. It felt good to have some good moments. Yeah, I was definitely happy. It's pretty hype. Like that first the first thing we walked out on Barney, that 3K I got was pretty hype. I was pretty happy with that. It's a really good confidence boost when you like start a game and it's just like, yo, you right click the soldier. Yo, you killed the tracer. Yo, you killed the ammo. It's like, okay, this might go okay. This could work out. I could get used to this. Yo, AVG gifted a sub to Jay Riley. Thank you very much for the gifted sub. AKM joining Fuel? Yes, AKM is confirmed and announced joining Fuel.
chance to focus.
I get so bad when you got sniped by Widow versus Shock yesterday. People are gonna bag you no matter what you do, man. You can fucking pop up, you do something stupid, everyone's gonna bag you. I didn't see the sniper on the sideline. I didn't think that Widow was. I didn't think in any world a Widow would be able to stand there for that long for free firing in that angle. I knew the Widow had an angle there, but I didn't think she'd be standing there for that long. And she only took one shot at me, was the one she hit. She took like 3. The other one she hit at the wall, so I don't know. Is what it is, man. It's fine. Alright, so like, what is the default? Where do you play here, Al?
Heal up here.
This does not feel like the optimal spot to play. Alright, I don't appreciate that shield. Ow.
Everyone heal up.
PTSD!
Enemies revived.
I was like, wait, I'm scared. And I was like, wait, that's us.
I've got you in my sights. I'm on fire.
Oh! I didn't realize I was low health. Like one nadeable. Yo, how does that doofus not win that fight against the Junkrat? Hello?
No rest for the
Where's Shay from? I'm from Adelaide. It was great to see you today. Good games, man. Yeah, it was good to get some wins. Good to get some good matches on the board.
I need healing. Thank you.
Good to get to see Koreans aren't unbeatable. Yeah, it's been good to see. Oh, shit. It was good. It's really good to see some teams, Western teams beating them. Houston's looking really good. Fucking the Western hope right now, it seems like. Someone has to beat them. I don't care who it is. Just someone. Literally one. So like, what is this thing up here? What is this fucking pony ride up here? Oh, it's an eagle ride. Is this all it is? It's just like a room that has like these fucking maneuverable things that are just gonna be like super. Oh, there's a tunnel.
Group up with me.
Okay, that's a flank.
My ultimate is almost ready.
Yeah, Houston. Yeah, they look super disciplined, man. They're playing really well. Yeah, props to them. It looks like they're like. The thing about them is it looks like they've put in a lot of work to get. Oh, okay. It looks like they put in a lot of. Oh, what the fuck? I had nothing. Looks like they're putting in a lot of work to get to the spot, the point they're at. So, props to them, dude. All right, Mercy. We're gonna talk about this. We're gonna talk about this. Yeah, fuck you. Keep healing me, Moira. Where's my Moira? Oh, was that their Moira? Wait, no, that's my Moira. Where did my Moira go? Oh my. Alright,
Knock
you
me
know,
down and I'll keep getting back up.
you know, let's not talk about that. Whoa, that was a little fucking obnoxious.
Enemies revived. Hello.
What's over here? I like that flank. I could get used to that flank. And a high ground? Oh, it doesn't see a ton. It doesn't see that initial corner. Alright, dude. Fuck you. Keep healing me, Moira. Okay, we talked about this, Moira. Dude, there are flanks fucking everywhere, dude. Oh, okay. Apparently, quick play people check flanks. Alright, just hates to recall. Oh, as if that missed. Wait, they vouched? Fuck it. Yeah.
Mission. Enemies re-engaging.
Yeah, come back. I just want to hug you. Ah!
Hello there.
Flanks the map. Yeah, dude. Like, I'm just gonna keep flanking. I'm just gonna. This is fine. Is this their spawn? Yo, found the spawn. Alright. I cannot lose this. Oh, okay. The D.Va had Matrix. Alright, you know, there was a D.Va Matrix. Yeah, Mercy, I don't want to see that teabagging right now. That's toxic. The map is visually so busy. It does have a lot on it. Yo, what's up, Risa? What's up, girl? You shatter anything good? Yo, D.Va, this is cool. No! Res me! Is AKM joining so you can play quad soldier? You know, if in case they ever release hero limits, that means we can play quad soldier. You know, effectively. It's the logical choice. You know, you got to cover all your bases. You never know when Blizzard's gonna decide. You know what? We don't like hero limits anymore. What the fuck? Yo, this map's a fucking joke, dude. This map's a joke. What is this? There's a pack here soon, right? Ooh, there's a high ground flank as well. Oh no, this is the okay, I see where. I like this map. I can get used to this map. This map's fun.
Unlucky today. Really good game, though. Your Zen was really good.
Yo.
Thoughts on Blizzard World?
Thoughts on Blizzard World? Too many fucking flags, dude. What is this? Yo, where did I come from? I came from somewhere around. Oh, hello. Oh, okay. Alright, that was better. I'm so confused where I am, dude. Alright, you know what? We can talk this out, Anna. We can talk this out. We can work this out. We can.
Teamwork for special attack. 30 seconds remaining.
We almost got till the fight.
Is it? I'm assuming this is gonna go to their spawn. This is third point. There's gonna be a shortcut to first point. No, okay, that's our spawn.
10 seconds remaining.
Got this. Don't let up now.
It's an interesting high ground.
Overtime.
Here it comes. Here's the shortcut to their spawn. I found it. Oh, never mind.
Victory.
Alright. I'm sort of getting an understanding of like how the map layout is. I feel like there's so many flanks on that second point. Like, how do you not play dive on that map? On this map. I don't think you could ever not play dive on this map. Which doesn't bode well for us.
Meteor strike. Pass into the ass.
ILYSM. You're my favorite out of whole owl.
Yo, Ina, thank you very much for the $5 dono. I love you so much too. I love you so much. Yo, also James GB, thank you very much for that dono as well. The $7.08. Unlucky today, really good game though. Your Zen was really good. Thoughts on Blizzard World? Yeah, too many flanks, man. Too many flanks. But thank you for the dono. You're showing me so many flank routes for Trace. I feel, I just keep finding like random flanks. Jive with 100 bits. Have they announced when Blizzard World is going to our maps? I have no idea, man. No idea off the top of my head.
Select your hero.
What do you think is Dallas Fuel's worst type of map? I don't know, it's control for you guys. Yeah, maybe. Maybe control. I think it's because dive is just generally better on control. Oh wait, are you saying control is Koth? Our Koth can be okay. I just think it's been a little sketchy as of late. But we'll get there, man. We'll get there.
We're all soldiers now.
Blizzard World! Yay!
Wobble wobble, motherfucker.
Beer Cheese Soup 420 with a 3-month resub. Congrats on the first win this week. You guys have showed a ton of improvement. It was cool to see you on Lucio again too. Hey man, that's like the first time I've ever like properly played Lucio in an actual match. Still don't have a ton of scrim experience on it, so I think I did okay. Definitely a lot to work on if I'm ever going to bring it out again. But yeah, we'll see. Canucks guys with the 4-month Prime sub. Love watching you play Zen these past 2 days. Yeah, I'm glad you enjoyed it, man. It was good to play Zen. It's good to not be playing Mercy. For that, I'm sure. Have you played any other Blizz games? I played StarCraft 2. I played Diablo 3. I played World of Warcraft my whole life. You know, all the games, man. Well, I played a lot of Blizzard games. I never really got into Heroes of Storm.
Attack commencing.
It's not good.
Pass into the ass.
Let's utilize the point.
I hate you so much. You're my least favorite player in OWL.
Okay, that's fair.
This is what Arena would have wanted me to send.
Arena would be happy. Yo, Jen, thank you for the $5, and I appreciate your truthful and honest opinion. Oh, is there a wide flank here? I bet there's a wide flank over here. Alright, we're wide flanking. Oh, what's down? Alright, now we're going the wide. Whoa!
Join me in glory.
Where'd this come from? Oh, this wasn't a very wide flank. Yeah, that was kind of disappointing. It's over here. Yo, team, just don't mind me. I'm just chilling. Alright, Diva, just leave me alone, okay? Fuck you. There's a mini in here. Yo, you want to find me? I ain't scared of you.
Everyone get on the objective. Enemy turret destroyed. Thanks. Into the iris.
Wait, stop time.
Yeah.
I'm on fire.
Double
Down for the count.
Hog champ! What flanks are there again?
No one can hide from my sight.
This is a Soon spot right here. This feels like Soon's favorite spot. He's gonna just camp in the field. Whoa!
Hello there.
Alright.
Let's try that again.
We must ensure the payload's progress.
I could use some healing.
Spotted the turret.
Restoring you.
Don't worry, my friend.
At first I was like, maybe there's a platform down there. Maybe he knows something I don't. You never know, right? Maybe he's actually like a gun at this map and he's like 900 IQing me. But no, you know, I tried to give him credit for something. Flank! I don't win this fight.
Custa is my daddy. I wouldn't never say that.
Ah! Oh! I have no health, no blinks, and no, like 1 recall.
Now, where were we?
This is fine. Alright, where's a health pack? There's gotta be a health pack around here
I could
somewhere.
use some healing.
Flank!
Get the payload.
Oh yeah, Mega.
Thanks. Right on it. Earthshatter, ready.
Oh, Reinhardt? Oh, it's our Reinhardt.
Hello
Yo, Arena with the $1. You lay Jen. Cuss is my daddy. I would never say that. Who's donoing with themselves? Someone's donoing with themselves.
there. No one can hide from my sight.
What the fuck? There's a Mega there and a Mini here? This feels like the most useless part of the map as well. Like, why is this a thing? Did he just Ryan shatter behind the shield? Yeah.
Arena, don't lie. I know you wanted Jen to say that.
Wait for me.
Okay. Okay then. Yo, I got the wide flank going, boys. Don't worry about it. How am I behind the entire enemy team right now? How is this a thing? My spawn is right here. I can literally shoot at my spawn.
Keep pushing forward. Enemy turret within my sight.
Ever get that feeling, deja vu?
Moving to payload. Join me.
This is fine. I know where I'm going. Oh,
I can't believe Custa is going to fistfight effect for the Tracer spot on Dallas Fuel. Pog champ.
Pug champ. Yeah, well, I don't think I'd win, dude. That's fucking. I don't know if I'd win that fight. I feel like Effect would know how to fight. He looks like a small Korean boy, but.
Enemy turret ahead.
Fuck you, Torbjorn. 100% stick rate.
Enemy turret down. Get into position.
I shall seize the payload.
Big shadow.
To its destination.
Nerf this.
Is approaching
Let's
its
try that again.
Oh, I don't have a. I thought I had a recall up. Oh, that's feels bad. How'd your team take the loss? People were frustrated, like a little frustrated, but I think everyone had the same mindset that I do. It's like,
The payload.
it sucks to lose. It was really close, but you know, it's progress, right?
Custa, what's your Favossi beer I can send you for a care package?
Stone and Wood Pacific Ale. If you send me that, you'll actually be my most favorite person ever. It's like the one, like the beer I miss the most out of. 100% stick rate. It's the beer I miss the most about Shadow. You'll be my favorite person. From an Outlaws fan, great sportsmanship. Yeah, thank you very much, man. Okay. You gotta respect. You gotta respect other players, other teams, and you know, their success. Bog champ! I lost the Zen. Oh, don't know. 50 you effect will win the 1v1 Tracer and Zen because with these Tracer plays you probably win. Hell yeah! I don't know. I'm sure Effect would like be able to play Zen pretty well. I'll sub to you if you 1v1 Effect. In what manner am I 1v1ing Effect? We need more context. You wouldn't want oak or ram chalky milk over beer? Damn, that's disgusting. I want fucking Farmers Union iced coffee if I could have anything that is non-alcoholic. Let's be honest. Anyone from Adelaide understands my pain. But, you know, I'll just take what I can get, dude. Opinions on Blizzard World second? It feels like there's so many flanks, man. I don't even understand who was trying to work this out. Who was organizing this. You got to I'll sponsor. That's fine, man. You know, we just focus on the game. I don't want to fuck with Effect. What was it again? I Tracer, he Zens. See who would win.
Select your hero.
I'll sub 2 for a 1v1. Everyone wants the 1v1. Everyone wants to see me, like, get messed up by Effect in some matter. Fist fight. Tracer v Zen. Fucking Reinhardt. Come on, guys. We all know what the end result is. Let's just save me a little bit of dignity. Custa bitching out confirmed. At what point did I say I wasn't bitching out? I'm fucking tails between the legs. I'm walking. 300 bits from Codex from New York Excelsior fan. You guys will get there. Just keep playing your game. Yeah, thank you very much. But that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to focus on us. Trying to work on all our stuff. We'll get there, guys. We'll get there, one step at a time. This was a good first week to sort of hopefully start turning it around. Looks like an amazing Sombra map. Yeah, maybe. There's a lot of free flanks. Maybe on the second point. I'm not sure if there's any good packs to play off for tanks and stuff.
It looks like we will be
I don't 100%.
Don't think I'm happy about that.
Yeah, I will drink effect under the table. That is for sure. I got one. Hell yeah, responsible adult.
3, 2, 1. Attack.
Still 34 games left? Exactly, man, exactly.
Objective A.
Drinking match. Yeah, I wonder why Effect is better at Overwatch than I am. Maybe it's the alcoholism. Maybe it's that he practices while I'm an alcoholic. Who knows? It could be a myriad of reasons. You can't identify one.
If we are to progress, we must claim the objective.
What the fuck did he just hit?
The power of destruction.
That's awesome, bro. I was like,
Make them
why is
come
there a someone shooting? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, hold on. Alright, he's pinning apparently. Get him, boys. Where's the shadow? What the fuck?
This will heal. Your strength.
He's gonna punch the shit out of me soon. Oh, PogChamp! Fuck you, Zen! Please don't hit a shot. There was someone over here, wasn't there? Okay, yeah. This guy. That's what I was talking about. Yo, that McCree hates me, man. You guys see that shit?
Thanks.
Doing this. Yeah.
Regenerating the cellular structure.
I'm coming, dude.
Objective A captured.
Okay, apparently I didn't go through the doorway. What's up, dude? We can talk about this. I should have thrown that further left so it would bounce in. Oh, never mind. It's gonna bounce in anyway. Ow.
You must ensure the payload's progress.
Right click. Yo, let's get fucked with this McCree. This McCree looks like he. This McCree looks like he fucking. Alright, this didn't go well. Alright, never mind. We nailed it. This Moira wants it. This Moira wants it. Look at her. Look at her. She wants it. I ain't scared of you. Go! Flanking Moira, go! Where's he gonna go? Keep bouncing, dude! Keep bouncing! Hell yeah!
I don't think they got the
Power of destruction.
Double
Oh no, the flanking McCree got him. I'm not scared of you.
Wobble wobble, motherfucker.
Alright, that's not okay. What? I should be scared of him. No! Let's talk about this. He's gonna shatter. Pretty high ground.
No one can hide
Is my
my
will.
sight. Thank you.
Flanking more out! Oh, I should have duked back. Yeah, you win some, you lose some, right? Yeah, flanking more out works 100% of the time, most of the time.
Keep pushing
There was a
forward.
flaw in my approach.
Yo, Sonority with a 3-month resub. Custa Sensei, Aishitiri Ang.
Thanks.
The power of destruction.
Where you going? Oh, okay. Where are we going? Off that. Oh, that was about to be 900 IQ. Kill the Mercy. Fuck the Mercy. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it.
I'm on fire.
Okay, well, this is just gonna be weird. Here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna drop it on me, and then I'm gonna shift, and then you're gonna die. Alright, never mind. We missed a couple steps in which he trances. I heal the hog. You guys go out of that. They Moira ult. Then I'm gonna throw an orb. They Valk. Then they res everyone, and then I run away like a little girl. Alright, and get shattered. I saw that whole thing coming from the start. You see me? You see me?
My ultimate is almost ready.
EMP charged.
I'm not dead yet.
Please remember, there's
Hello.
a limit of 1 battle pet per guest.
The payload's not doing much good sitting there.
Just like you planned. Exactly like I planned. Don't worry about that, guys. Don't you worry about it. You know, they went triple support just so I can't flank Moira. I feel like this is their strategy. Their in voice comes like, hey guys, the fucking Moira is behind us. He's doing so much work. How do we kill him? Here's what we do. We get 3 supports. Oh shit! We get 3 supports. We get a fucking Doomfist, so the Doomfist will never die. And then we just fuck him. And we have the flanking McCree still doing good things.
Pass this forth.
No one can hide from my sight.
Oh, please tell me he dies with 3 supports. What the? Alright, alright. I was a little surprised by where my Moira went.
I must reflect upon this.
We must move the payload.
Alright, we're gonna do a flanking Moira. I'm gonna need everyone to react accordingly. Okay, here it goes. This is world class. Moira! What the fuck is this a fragger, dude? Oh, he's a fucking dead fragger right now. I guess I should heal the dude. I don't know. That seems a little ridiculous. Fuck you, Genji.
No one can hide from my sight.
Alright. High vantage point. What the? Alright, these ults fucking suck, dude. I hate these guys. He's gonna go for it again, pussy. Go for it again. I ain't scared of you. Yeah, where you going now, bitch? Where you going now?
I will rebuild you.
Flank! Damn, this one's dealing maximum damage. Yeah, punch me, dude. Punch me. I ain't scared of you. Okay, that's a little rude. I didn't appreciate that at all. I'm gonna wire up on my ult there. Alright, to kill this Genji. To kill this Genji! No! Ah! Mercy! Alright, this is a little. That's just taunting me. No! I'm sorry! One and 5, by the way. Huh! He got me because our team's 1 and 5, so you came into my chat to put in my face that we're 1 and 5. You got me, man. I'm done. I don't. How do I function anymore? Go, bitch. Oh. Time to retire. You know, we had a good run in the league. You win some, you lose some, guys. Oh, okay. Oh, that looks like a good place to put it off. Whoa! That's really good. Yo, dude, we don't have to be like this. We can be friends. We can be Okay. You could be 0-6. Take his call. Maybe he was being nice. Maybe he was being nice. Yeah, maybe I jumped the gun. Maybe I jumped the gun. You're right. You're right. Yo, the fuck this doofus, dude! Yo, alright. How does it feel, bitch? Is he running? Yo, this motherfucker, dude. This motherfucker. Yo, we don't lose these. We don't lose these. Shadowburn! I literally went nowhere with that shit.
This is my will.
He got shadow? He kind of looks like he's got shadow right now.
Ensure the payload's progress.
Ow. Oh, yo, dude, what is this doofus problem, man? Custa drunk? Nah,
There was a flaw in my approach.
We tried. It's the main thing. Moisture is still not. Yeah, but not against the blade because I didn't close any distance. If he was smart, he could have easily ran into me. PogChamp. Yeah, fuck this then. CFDs, I never played it. Some people have been having some fun with it. Alright, guys. Anyway, as I said, it's just gonna be a short stream. I'm heading out to Australia Day, end of a good week. So thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you guys have some fun. It was good running around in Blizzard World. I feel like I got a better understanding for it. Very flanky. I'm not really sure how I feel about it in the grand scheme. But yeah. Who's streaming right now? Is anyone streaming? Fucking hell. Oh, yo, your boy Timo's streaming. Oh, your boy XQC streaming as well. Don't worry, guys. The waiting room is over. You guys can go to XQC stream. I understand. But yeah, thank you very much for tuning in, guys. I appreciate it. I hope you guys have a good night. Thank you again for all the continued support. Thank you for all the subs. Thank you for all the donos. Thank you for all that good stuff. Go check out your boy Timo. Let me give him that bat host. Sorry, I'm just waiting for some stuff. Honestly, prefer you over XQC. Hell yeah, man. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Taught me the way of Tracer. Short and sweet stream, yeah, definitely short and sweet. It's just good to talk about the game. Good to hang out. Good to do something small. Doesn't need to be big streams. You earned a good sleep? Yeah. My day off is tomorrow. I don't know if I'll stream. Depends how I feel. If I just want to feel like the day off, I'll take the day off. I'll let you guys know. Mr. Australia Day, hey man. I'll catch up. I'll catch up. You're kicked out. Revoked. Alright guys, go check out Timo. Have a good night. Check your PO box. Yeah, I'll do that tomorrow actually.